Assalamu alaikum friends, Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to our world of creativity and nature. Today we will explore unique garden decoration ideas using wooden paintings, simple wooden plants. Creative or paintings can be turned into stunning art piece of your garden. Paint bright flowers, butterflies, abstract designs to bring life to plain wooden. You can also write motivation, quiet or garden scene on paint boards and place them among plants. Try hanging small plants, paints, wooden frames on wall pins or tree trunks for a charming look. Wooden palettes with colorful paint can be used vertically planted. Even all can be painted and reused to add a tasty touch. These ideas are friendly and perfect for making your garden look warm and welcoming. So grab your brush, pick your favorite colors and let your imagination bloom in your garden. Decorate friends. Paint your wooden flowers pots with bright color and patterns. Add chips, dot or flower art. I'm making rivers. Then I sketching these paint pots will turn your garden into a cheerful artist. Place wooden fence art. Don't leave your garden fence. Use paint to design colorful patterns, flower or even a on your wooden fence. It adds personality and make your garden to look like wooden things. Paint cute wooden things with words like welcome, home sweet home or plant names. Place them near flowers beds or hang on walls. They bring charm and creativity to any garden. Wooden wall decorate. Use small wooden boards, paint them with the natural design and hang them on outdoor walls. This is a simple way to give your garden a cozy and artistic feeling. Take an old wooden chair, stool or bench, paint it in